How long has it been since you cleaned me, huh? I knew it. Never. You must wash me every 2 weeks at most. Look at me. Slather me with a baking soda paste, pour vinegar on top, and scrub me with a brush. I see that you bathe every day, and me? Look at me from the steam, the humidity, and the soap. If you don't wash me, the mold won't ask for permission. I clean the whole house and you leave me lying there, wet and dirty. You have to clean me. Like this, I just collect bacteria. They use me all the time, leave me wet on the countertop, hang me up to dry, and swear I'm clean. Gross!
You use me for dishes, pots, and burnt grease. I'm destroyed. I'm not an infinite resource.
Gross. You cut meat, chicken, and vegetables all together without thinking. Then you get a stomach bug and you don't know why.
You take me shopping, to work, to class. You throw me anywhere. Please give me a bath.
Don't be gross. Just because I don't look dirty on the outside doesn't mean I'm not. Look inside, I have built up gunk. Clean me, I'm disgusting. Have you seen the filth I have? You dirty me, close the door, and pretend to be clueless. You think I clean myself? Gross!
Rinse the dishes and place them properly. Everything has its spot. Otherwise, I don't clean well. I'm a dishwasher, not a miracle worker.
No one ever cleans up here. I collect dust and grease for months, then you complain about the smell.
We all know you never clean me. You crank the volume to the max, I build up ear gunk, and then it sticks to me. Disgusting.
I know you don't do it, but you must clean me every day to get rid of germs and filth.
You put us away dirty again. Each time it's gonna get harder to get the filth out. Wash us every 1 to 2 months. We're accumulating bacteria.
Look me in the face. Yes, I'm talking to you. You have to wash me after 2 or 3 wears, especially if you sweat. We all know you never wash us often.
I've seen you just flip me inside out sometimes. Disgusting! Wash us after every use.
Ugh, disgusting. You must wash your socks after every use. And N.O., you cannot just turn us inside out.
You drag me out into the street, throw me wherever you find a spot, I fall on the floor, you stash me at the end of winter, and then you use me again. Without washing.
2 winters already without a wash. You must wash me every 3 to 8 wears, depending on the material, to keep me clean.
Wash your pillow every 3 to 6 months, depending on its type. Just because you can't see the filth doesn't mean it isn't there.
It's me, your extension. From this filthy corner you think nobody sees. We've been collecting dust and grime since the 90s.
You open me during the day and shut me at night. You pretend to forget, but you know I'm dirty. At least dust me with a duster. Are you going to wait until you drink coffee in a cup to wash us? What is this collection you have here? Wash us after using us.